Say somebody had a family that they were of mixed faiths through marriage or whatever. Why shouldn't family members be able to attend different services? I mean, is there any reason that within a metareligious framework there would be any contradiction to someone attending different services to share and respect the traditions of other family members, for example?
You mean like if a Catholic marries a Protestant?
Yeah, maybe attends both church or alternates.
That would be possible. It would be consistent, but they have to understand that really they're sharing the same core structure. They're worshiping the same God under the same circumstances, you see? So they're kind of defeating the point almost to separate the family in terms of religious doctrine and the other sectarian differences that there are, when they could instead all be worshiping together, just worshiping essential core structure common to both faiths. You see what I mean?
Right, but does one necessarily have to be faithful and loyal to one church, or can one church hop?
Churches need support, so one is usually expected to support one's own church rather than hop around. Everybody hops around, and one church is left totally without support, then that church will collapse. And then when people try to go back to that church, it will be gone. So usually people are expected to support the church that they have typically attended. But no, there's no reason you can't go from one church to another. However, remember that pastors, the people who run these churches, are in competition with each other. And so what they will try to do is, just as a corporation will try to steal customers from other corporations that sell the same product, these churches will try to do the same thing. The ways they do this are sometimes a little bit shady in the sense that they will impugn the character of another pastor, or they will start criticizing the teachings of another church or another pastor. That's oftentimes unnecessary, and they do it simply to lure the parishioners of one church away from that church and into their church.
I notice that with the church that we attend sometimes, they kind of do that. They have people come visit and visit other churches, and they're not like these evangelical or some sects that are very possessive of their flocks. They're more open. Around here, I felt that anyhow.
Well, sometimes group action is beneficial, so you can't really say that's bad. Sometimes the church that we have attended, when we attend church, only has between 20 and 30 members. Everything is so far apart here, so many people within range of any given church, so the number of people in that church is usually small. You want any kind of group action, or any kind of pool of resources or pool of talent, you've actually got to expand to other churches. So you want to be able to get those churches together and share your personnel and share your people so that you can get more things done.